Hi guys, Deepak with 91mobiles.com. In front of me is the new Cat S61 smartphone. This is the successor to the Cat S60, the very first phone that came with a thermal imaging camera. The S61 carries on the legacy and comes with an improved thermal camera. At the rear, improves a few specs and adds a bunch of new features. Now this is a really thick, bulky smartphone. It's military certified, drop tested to 1.8 meters, waterproof up to 3 meters for an hour. Really rugged and solid device. A thick layer of Corning Gorilla Glass on the 5.2-inch Full HD display. All the ports sealed with flaps to make sure that water doesn't go in. As far as the core specs are concerned, you get a 16 megapixel camera at the rear, 8 megapixel up front. There's a 4500 mAh battery powering this device, Snapdragon 630 with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage. So as far as the new features are concerned, for one, the thermal imaging camera has been improved in resolution. So the earlier one offered VGA quality images, but this one has moved up to HD. Next, an air quality measure has been included. So this feature measures the air quality in the room and alerts you if the quality is too bad. And lastly, thanks to a special sensor at the bottom of the phone, you can actually measure distances. There's a laser pointer which is integrated, and when you snap a picture, it can actually tell you the distance from the device. So interesting features and some decent specs. A very rugged phone, the Cat S61. Thanks for watching.